friends, again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the basic concepts of the bioenergetics. Now the bioenergetics, it is the quantitative study of the energy reactions that are carried out within the living cell. It is an quantitative study of energy generations which are carried out within the living cell. It is called as the bioenergetics. Means all of the processes, chemical reactions, these are carried out within the living cell. Their quantitative study, it is considered to be the bioenergetics. Bio means the living system. All of these chemical reactions carry out within that living system, and the energy generations or the energy changes which are carried out during that process, it is considered to be the bioenergetics. Okay. Energy processes, or here we can also say that these are the chemical processes. Now within that, preferentially these chemical reaction, within that the first basic concept, it is about the metabolism. Whenever we said about any type of the living cell, within that we said that majorly the cell it is metabolically active. Now whenever we said that the cell it is metabolically active, it means within that the metabolic activities these are carried out. Now the metabolism, it is all type of the chemical reactions which are carried out within the living cell. Here within the bioenergetics, which are we are concentrate on the quantitative study of the energy generation or the energy consumption within the chemical reaction, and either within the metabolism we are concentrate on different types of the chemical reactions which are carried out within the living system. Chemical reactions in living cell, it is said to be the metabolism. Now within the metabolism there are the two major concepts, that is the catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism and the anabolism. Now within the catabolism, preferentially these are the energy generating processes or the degradative pathways. These are involved within these catabolic pathways, and here these are the energy consuming. Within this there is the involvement of the biosynthetic pathways. Biosynthetic pathways means within the catabolism the complex organic compounds, these are get break down into the simple compound, within which there is the release of energy. And within the anabolism, majorly there is the synthesis of the complex organic compound from the simple compound, within which there is the utilization of the energy. So majorly the metabolism combinedly, or we can say that the metabolism, it is the combination of both catabolism and the anabolism, that is the combination of catabolic reaction and the anabolic reactions. That is, one it is energy generating and another it is the energy consuming. Now within this, preferentially there are the two specific types of the reactions, that is spontaneous and the non-spontaneous. The spontaneous reactions, these are the chemical reactions which are carried out naturally. Means within the nature, the processes which are carried out, these are called as the spontaneous. There is no requirement of any type of the stimulation, or preferentially we are not creating the conditions to carry out that reactions, which are in the natural condition. The reactions which are carried out, these are called as the spontaneous reaction. These are called as spontaneous reaction. The another concepts which are related with this, it is the enthalpy, entropy, and the free energy change. So majorly the enthalpy, it is the total energy content of the living cell. Total heat content of the living cell, it is called as the enthalpy. The entropy, it is the degree of disorder. Means whenever we say that the spontaneous reaction, whenever any reaction system it is go towards the disorder state, it is called as the spontaneous reaction. From organized to the disorder state, it is called as the spontaneous reaction, because these are carried out naturally. Whenever we are organized any reactions, or within laboratory we are carry out reaction, these are the organized. We are creating the conditions. But within the spontaneous, these are carry out naturally. These are carry out naturally. It is the basic difference between the spontaneous and non-spontaneous reaction. The entropy, it is the degree of disorder. And the free energy, it is majorly the free energy, it is the available form of energy within the living cell which can able to do work. Means actually the energy which is available for do the work, it is called as the free energy. Now preferentially there are the two basic type of the reaction, that is the exothermic reactions and the endothermic reaction. Exothermic and the endothermic reactions. Exothermic, it means the exergonic, and the endothermic, it means the endergonic reactions. Okay, one and the same. That is the exothermic reactions. These are responsible to release the energy. Release the energy. And the endothermic reactions, these are consume the energy. Consume the energy. These are responsible to consume the energy. These are the two different types of the chemical reaction. One, it is the exothermic, within which it is responsible to release energy, that is the catabolic pathways, and the within the endothermic reaction, majorly these are the energy consuming, that means these are the anabolic pathway, that is the biosynthetic pathways. So majorly within all of the catabolic reactions, there is no generation of energy. Within some steps of that catabolic reactions or the catabolic pathways, there is the consumption of energy. So within the biological system, there is majorly collaborations. There is collaboration of the both exothermic and endothermic reaction, and the net gain, it is the majorly the reactions, these are exothermic. The net gain, it is energy, reactions, these are the exothermic in nature. So majorly for the exothermic reaction, the free energy change is always negative. For the exothermic reaction, the free energy change, it is always negative. And for the endothermic reaction, the free energy change, it is positive. Majorly we are indicated this free energy change by the delta G. It is obtained from delta H minus T delta S. Here the delta G, it is the free energy change. The delta H, it is the change within the enthalpy, and the delta S, it is the change within the entropy, and majorly the T, it is the absolute temperature. So majorly for the exothermic reaction, whenever the exothermic reaction, these are spontaneous. At that time the free energy change, it is always negative. Within the endothermic reaction, if these are spontaneous, then the free energy change, it is always positive. So these are the basic concepts which are related with the bioenergetics. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.